You ever get that feeling just before you head off on a big adventure? That little spark of excitement mixed with a whole lot of nerves? It's like all at once, you're pumped for what's ahead, but you're also kind of terrified that something is going to go wrong. I've been there. That first time I decided to go on a solo trip, honestly, I didn't think much about it. I mean, I had my flights booked, a killer itinerary ready, and all my bags packed. I was so ready. But then, a few days before I was set to leave, a friend asked me, "Did you get travel insurance?" I was like, "Travel insurance? Nah, I'm good. What could possibly go wrong?" I mean, I'm not exactly doing anything crazy like climbing Mount Everest, right? Just a simple getaway. I figured, why waste the extra cash? Spoiler alert. I learned that lesson the hard way. So, I'm in this beautiful foreign country, feeling on top of the world. But then, on the second day, I woke up to the sound of rain pounding against my window. No biggie, right? Just a little weather. But as the day went on, it only got worse. And then it happened. My phone slipped out of my hand in the downpour. The screen shattered on the pavement, and in that moment, my whole trip felt like it came crashing down with it. You know that feeling when you can't even imagine how to survive a day without your phone? And here I was, in a country where I didn't know a soul, barely speaking the language, and completely cut off from everything. I tried fixing it myself. No luck. I tried buying a new phone locally, but I didn't even know where to start or what I was getting into. In the midst of all that, I thought back to my friend's question. If only I'd gotten travel insurance, I could have had that phone repaired or replaced without all the hassle. Instead, I was stuck, out of pocket, and spending my precious vacation time running around trying to fix something that could have been dealt with easily. And that's when it hit me. You never know what's going to happen. The adventure isn't just about the fun. It's about the unexpected. And those surprises? They're often things you can't plan for. But I've learned that they don't have to ruin your trip. Now, every time I set off on an adventure, travel insurance is the first thing I book. It's not just a safety net. It's peace of mind. Because here's the thing. No one wants to think about the worst case scenario. I didn't want to think about what would happen if I got sick or hurt abroad. I didn't want to imagine my flights getting canceled or my luggage going missing. But if you travel enough, you quickly realize that all of these things can happen. And when they do, you'll be so grateful you took that extra step. Here's a tip that might surprise you. You don't have to break the bank to get decent coverage. I know that's something a lot of people worry about, insurance being this big, complicated, expensive thing. But after that first solo trip, I started looking around. I found this company called Insure. Honestly, it was a game changer. Simple, affordable, and when I had to file a claim on another trip, I was honestly shocked at how smooth it was. I wasn't left waiting forever. I didn't have to deal with a ton of paperwork. They actually made it easy. And I knew that if anything happened, I was covered. That alone made my trips feel so much less stressful. If there's one thing I want you to take away from this story, it's this. Travel insurance isn't just some extra thing. It's a must-have. Because the next time something goes wrong, whether it's a broken phone, a lost passport, or even something more serious, you'll be glad you took those few minutes to get covered. Trust me, it'll make your trip feel a lot less like a gamble. So, if you're planning an adventure and wondering whether travel insurance is worth it, I can tell you with total confidence, it is. Insure is the one I trust now, and it's been a lifesaver for me. Anyway, that's my 2 cents. Safe travels, and remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. You'll thank yourself later.